Ka Hspdp kalarai ban mino na ka Regional Democratic Alliance RDA. Ka RDA ka kentup ya ka UDP bat ka Hspdp bat dangshan kila say daw kertong yamon lang na kebenta ka Shillong Lok Sabha seat. Haba pendikna ikne menteri ka kenhon menteri bat nong yalam ka UDP uba Lyngdoh ulaong ba ka Hspdp da ka tin lai kren bakin sa syong ka jingalang kum ka seng Hspdp bat kin sa pentip halor kene.
First, its unwillingness to continue with the RT. You might say so. We might think that it's better that we work different ways, since we could not touch 5%, reach 5% of the total votes this time. Probably had we contested as UDP alone, we could have crossed that. So these are all in the realm of the probable. Nobody has the last word in politics. That was an expression made by the Hspdp. We need to meet formally and settle all these issues. I said that in the realm of the probable, that is also one probable possibility.